Welcome everyone to the US stock indices, and also we're gonna see some special requests from our members, interesting stocks, of course. Basically, we mentioned today for Nasdaq that this potential one-to-one Fibonacci level is going to be tested today, and here we are. We are testing it, and so far it has failed until a double one two plays again. Meaning, currently, what we are going to watch here is a confirmation for lower. If the price will take the highs, that will be the decisive move that we are looking for. I'm going to explain, meaning here, of course, this is your red flag if you take the low there. But if the price push higher again and take the high here, this is your decisive move around the one-to-one Fibonacci level. And that means, of course, yeah, we might be in double one, two there, 1-2-1-2, and a wave 3-4-5-4-5 toward the upside to continue, of course, the bull run here for Nasdaq towards a wave 5 after a wave 3 actually after a 1-2 and a massive wave 3 to unfold toward the upside. Very interesting for Nasdaq. We are back potentially for bullish, but I still need, of course, one more signal by taking this high. I'm gonna put that signal there, also confirmation for higher. So if you have realized, we are in a very tiny price decision here between bullish and bearish, right? So this is a bullish side. Sorry, it should be bullish here. Bullish side, bull flag, and red flag, meaning, of course, the bearish, where we might dive deeper. Very, very tiny area here for a price decision. So we're going to watch that. And very likely, of course, the bullish has higher probability. For SPX as well, we're looking at the one-to-one Fibonacci exactly failing, actually, where you have an ABC or WX and a Y failing there with an impulse again toward the downside. Are we still looking for this wave 5 to finish an ABC expanding flat before we push toward the upside? Yes, potentially can be, of course. So far, I would like to see another push higher, but even with that, I don't see an impulse there. I see three waves, therefore, yeah, red flag, right? Continuation toward the downside is very likely here for SPX, and Nasdaq might be the same. Yeah, so that might be, of course, a signal for Nasdaq as well that it might follow. For Dow Jones is still in the same area. I don't see any kind of like impressive move today. I would still require this push toward the upside, like kind of like a confirmation toward the upside. What I see actually is an expanding flat, by the way. I see also three waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is very likely to play there. And of course, with a move within Nasdaq and SPX in confluence. So yeah, very likely that as this signal of strength, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, three ways down as an ABC expanding flat, pushing for higher, taking the high. Then, okay, we confirm bullish, right? So currently, we're still waiting for one more low, potentially in higher probability, but the probability is still higher, of course, for the bullish there. Interesting for the US stock indices. So, yeah, we'll see how those signals will play actually. Yeah, some news, by the way. We see some news like the Strait of Hormuz is demined. Potentially, this is going to be positive for the market. We'll see. For the stock request today, we have Aish, and let me check if someone else for. Okay. Yeah, so we have Aish on MR and Moderna, I think. We are in, yeah, Moderna. We are in wave 2 pullback in short term. What is the target? Let's see Moderna. mRNA. All right. Wow. Yeah, after this move, massive move for Moderna here. Interesting. Basically, this is your 1-2 there. I don't know what you mean. We are in wave 2 pullback. No, nobody. No, actually, you're not in a wave 2. Actually, you're still inside the wave 3 unfolding toward the upside here. All right. You are in several 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, wave 3, and then wave 4 and a 5 continuation toward the upside here. Everything is fine with model. All right. That is a corrective for sure, and you continue for higher. Target for a wave 3, if you want to have a little bit much more precise target, we can do that by having a 1-2 here. And wave 3 as an impulse. It can be, of course, 1.618 over there. right? You can be inside this confluence of $443. All right. It was for Moderna. All right, Aish. Can you have a look on Etsy for Hung? Yes, sure, for Etsy. All right. I think we did that. Yes, we did that before. So for Etsy, we are in wave two here, and wave B can also be a possibility. After an impulse, three ways corrective, you start your 1-2 toward the upside. Very interesting for Etsy. That sounds like a sneeze. Let's see. So here we go. So we have, of course, a push toward the upside, 3, 4, and a 5. Very interesting for Etsy. We have 1-1 minimum target 353 as a zigzag A, B, and a C. And we're looking as an impulse. I'm looking also for the 1.618, but you might get some extension. Yeah, you might get, but if you want to follow it much more in details, yeah, we might get an extension because you have double 1-2 wave 3, 4, and a 5. Potentially your wave 5 here might be extended. It's not necessarily to get the 2.618, maybe a little bit extended, but then you get a 4 and a 5 where you reach, of course, your 1-1 as $353. All right. Okay, that was for Etsy. Basically, yeah, we have LLY for Shafi. Good morning, buddy. Eli Lily. All right. Why? Yeah, I think we did that before. I remember that name. Yes. All right. So for this one, we are looking also. Oh my God, Trading View always messed up my count here. I don't know why, guys. So maybe I take them all from here and just drag them to the right place. There we go. Right. Okay, even with that, it doesn't work. I don't know what's going on with TradingView. I hope that someone seizes TradingView. Please fix that, whatever it is. Wave two, wave one, we are in an A, B, and a C here. We're gonna recount, but basically we have a large wave one, two, and then wave 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Wave three, unfinished 4 and a 5. Anyway, our target is hit very nicely here, right? Since a very long time, this target has been given. It's a very nice hit, I would say. And this wave three is still unfolding here because you have several 1-2s. 1-2, 1-2, wave three, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. And that means, of course, this is still looking, if you want to have like kind of like, here we go, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 for wave three, 4 and a 5 are, and this is your wave three, meaning you're still looking a little bit for higher. And if you want a little bit more precision over there, you can get exactly this target 5/1. There we are. Yes, you are already in it, but basically 1-1, 1341 can still be taken, or even the extension in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 can be ending diagonal, or it can be a large impulse. All right. So that was for LLY. Okay. Next one we have Michael T. How are you doing, buddy? Can you check NIO Inc. ADR? NIO. All right. You're very welcome, buddy. Let's see this one. NIO. Yeah, this is what you mean. All right. Okay, we checked this before, Michael, and it's not recommended. Be careful. This is a three waves A, three waves down, wave B. You are in a regular flat, and I don't like it even here because I don't see yet a signal of strands completed as well. This is not an impulse, it's a three waves. You're still pushing towards the downside. It's a failure, right? So be careful from this chart. Not recommended. All right, Michael. Ozone, hi KG, BHP. BHP, all right. Let's see this one. BHP. Okay. All right. We did it before. Very nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay. Yeah, I think it's done. I mean, we were looking for this wave 5, and it might be finished. Let's check the targets. Wave 1 over the wave 3. Yeah, here is the top. Okay, even can still look for a little bit higher. Let's go inside it. Oh, it's very ugly inside. All right, let's go daily, maybe much better. Okay, a little bit. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay, yeah, you're gonna hit the green zone. The first line of the green zone. So you are in a 1 2 and then 1 2 3 4 5 for wave 3, 4 and a 5. Okay. So that's what I'm looking for. Meaning the target here, your target is $75. Even in, I mean, hey, no need so much for precision more than that, but there you go. This is your confluence as well. 73, $79. Okay, so that was also for BHP. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.